Hi everyone, it's Thursday, the 2nd of April 2020. Let's get going on our word number 1 is spillage. During drought times, farmers ensure there is no spillage of water so that they can save it for their livestock and for their crops. Spillage. Spillage has a base word, spill, and we all know what spill means, and it's also got a suffix on the end of it, edge. We've been doing a lot of words with edge on the end of it. Edge, coming from the zebra box, j coming from the cage box. You can check your thrash chart, and it's a suffix that means an action. So the action of spilling. Write the word spillage. L and idge from the zebra box, j from the cage box. Word number 2. Make sure that if you get it wrong, that you cross it out and do it again. Word number 2 is checked. The farmer checked his cattle and his horses in the barn each night. Checked. You will need to make sure that you have your past tense verb marker in this word, and your base word has got k from the duck box. Check. Ch. There's a digraph. K from the duck box. And then also we need ed, checked. Checked. Word, did you get it right? Cross it out and rewrite it if you didn't. Word number 3. The word is wrapping. Wrapping. There was plenty of wrapping paper cast aside after everyone opened their Christmas presents. Wrapping. Write the word wrapping. Here's some clues. The comes from the wrist box, and there's a base word there, wrap, and I can hear an ap, which means that I will need to double that final consonant p before adding ing. Let's see how you go. From the wrist box, ap, one short vowel sound. One consonant means I have to double the P and add ing. Check your word. If you got it wrong, cross it out and write it again. Word number 4, nosy. The nosy neighbour would peer through the fence to check what the naughty children were doing. Nosy. Remember, the Z comes from the laser box and the E comes from the pony box. Nosy. Write the word nosy. N-O-Z-E. Z from the laser box, E from the pony box. Word number 5. Camel. I have to remember here, I've got a body letter, camel, in the middle of that word, and it's only a from the mouse box in the end of the word, and you need to remember that if it's a it will be an EL on the end because it's a body letter. Camel. K from the cat box, from the mouse box, it's a body letter, so I know that I add EL on the end. Camel. Word number 6. Word number 6 is chased. He chased his tail around and around. Chased. You'll need to remember your past tense verb marker for this word, and this on the end of the word comes from the horse box. Write the word. Chase. Chase. Chased. Check it. See if you've got it right. If you haven't, cross it out, do it again. Word number 7 is a real challenge. The word is succeed. Succeed. You will succeed if you keep on practicing. Succeed. 2 syllables, suck, seed. The k in suck is from the cat box, and seed actually starts with a s from the city box. See if you can write suck seed. S, a, k from the cat box. S from the city box. Eed. Cat box. City box. Succeed. Check if you've got it right. If you haven't, cross it out and do it again.